where you want the hair to grow, and then roll it over back and forth slowly. There's no need for you to apply pressure onto this. Yes, a derma roller. In this video we're going to talk about a derma roller, what it is, what it does, how it affects your beard, the kind of side effects you may experience when using this device, and anything at all you need to know about this device, because there is a lot of questions about this device. Even though I've been using it on this channel a lot, yet many of you are still asking a lot about this device. So in today's video I've dedicated this video to this product. We're going to delve in depth with anything at all you need to know about this product, so stick around, make sure you like the video and subscribe for your boy. Without wasting much of your time, let's hop into it. So the derma roller is a device that has been used to treat acne scars, wrinkles for so many years, but then in recent years people realize that it also helps in the treatment of hair loss and also helps boost beard growth. That's how come a guy like me is using this product, and it comes in different sizes. It starts from 0.25 to 2.0, yes, but then this one that I'm using is 1.0 millimeters. As you can see, the needles are very long. Yes, I use this one because as you can see my beard is kind of thick, so I need longer needles for it to be able to reach my skin. But then if you are somebody who is now beginning or who is now going to start using the derma roller, you don't need the 1.0 millimeters. You get it, that's gonna be too big and too long for your skin, man. So you need yourself like at least 0.5 or 0.75. yes, that one should be okay for you. And when it comes to the usage, you don't use this product every single day, you get it. You need to use it at least twice a week, because what it does is it creates tiny or micro punches into your skin, and your skin will need time to recover before you can use it again. If not, if you end up using it too much again, you're going to cause damages to your skin. So you only use it twice a day, for instance every Sunday evening and every Wednesday evening. And how you use it, especially for beard, is by placing it on your cheek or wherever you want the hair to grow, and then roll it over back and forth slowly. There's no need for you to apply pressure onto the skin. Yes, just gently roll it back and forth, vertically and horizontally. Yes, that's all you need to do. Do it about a minute or two, and then move to the other area. Make sure that it covers all the areas you want the hair to grow. And then before you ever put this thing on your skin, make sure that you sterilize it by spraying it with an alcohol or putting it in a hot water. Yes, that will help sterilize it. In case there is any germs on it, it's going to kill the germs, because you don't want to put this thing on your face when there is bacteria on it, because it will end up injecting those bacteria into your skin, which will end up harming you. So yes, you need to sterilize it before using it. Talking about sterilization, make sure that whenever you go to get it, make sure that it is in a seal like this. If it's not sealed like this, don't take it, because there are chances that somebody has used it before you. So yes, make sure that it's always sealed before you taking it home. And somebody may ask, does it actually work? Yes, I'll say it actually works, because in my experience it has helped me change my beard from looking patchy to looking like this, as you can see. Yes, and by the way, if you really want to know how to use a derma roller effectively with the use of a minoxidil, I've made a video about it. I'll link it in the description so that you guys can check it later. It actually works because it helps with the production of collagen in your skin, which helps with the hair growth. So try and get yourself the 0.5 and use it with a minoxidil, and it's going to work for you. And somebody may ask, does it come with any side effects? Not necessarily, but then if you don't use it right, you may end up injuring yourself or even infecting your skin with bacteria. Yes, that's why you need to sterilize it before using. And make sure that you don't use this product with anybody. Yes, this is a one person product. You don't need to share it with anybody. You are the only person who needs to use it. And it actually helps a lot, not only with the beard. It makes you look younger because it helps strengthen your skin, so you end up not getting wrinkled skin any sooner. It's a very good product. Yes, that's what I will say about the product. And would I like to recommend it for you guys? Yes, 100%, because I've used it and it has helped me. So why not recommend it for you guys? You guys need to go and try it out and see how it works for you too, because it has helped me and it has helped a lot of guys around. So you too, try it and you're not gonna regret it. Now I want to know if some of you have even used it and how it goes, or how did you see the effect. Let me know into the comment section. Those people coming into the comment section will also see and learn from you guys. So try and drop some comments about it if you've used it, so that we can all help each other. And yes guys, that's the video guys. I just thought I should just come and make a quick video about it, because I've been getting a lot of questions about it, and I hope it serves its purpose, the video. At least now you know something about your derma roller. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, kindly like the video and subscribe for your boy as usual. As you can see, my face is looking all sleepy and all that. Yes, that's why you guys need to subscribe, because I've been killing myself to give you guys this kind of information. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.